Good morning, YouTube land. We are all packed up and ready to go. This morning, I gave the dogs all a bath, and so they're ready for a trip. We'll see where we go. We're looking for sunshine. Not much sunshine around base camp, so we'll go see if we can find some sunshine. So I've gotten the system down to where all I have to pack now is all I put in when I got ready to go today is the dogs, some food, and a jacket. That's it. Everything else is in the vanilla van ready to go. That mountain you're looking at straight ahead is Mount San Jacinto, and it's shrouded in clouds because it's usually a lot taller than that. Well, we found a sunny place. This is Morongo Valley. I love how the mountains look kind of pink. These palm trees here look like they have never been trimmed, at least not for a long time. We're at the park right by the Morongo Preserve. There's a little skate park here. Blue sky. There's the vanilla van. Can you guess where we are? What a beautiful trip. How do you like this? Well, here we are, our campsite. How beautiful Indian Cove is. I think this is a creosote bush. And look how the little yellow flowers are giving off their little fuzzy seeds. Ta-da! Are you guys ready for a night of sweet, fresh air and quiet? Mm-hmm. Some people climb these boulders. Well, I've been learning how to use the refrigerator. On the way out here, I had it on this button because the car was running. So I knew the battery was charging so I could use the battery. Then once I got here, I turned it off and set it to the propane. I turned on the propane, I pushed this button here and held it down until this green light came on and stayed on. Now it's running on propane. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. So, our first night using the real refrigerator. But I got my Kodiak, Energy Kodiak, and my Dometic. Can't see it, it's under all that junk. Anyway, I've got them for backup. Well, good night from the vanilla van. We'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the trip today. And be sure and subscribe. Jesus is your peace and your joy. Adios. Mwah. See you next time.